What's up guys, Saif Ashraf here. A quick video today on whether you should really still be buying one of these. This is an Apple TV, specifically I've got the 3rd generation. And I bought this in a time where smart TVs weren't really a thing. So like not many people had them. We just had the straight flat screen TVs that just let you switch input and then watch whatever you're watching. Ever since about 2014 or about 2016, smart TVs have become quite mainstream. For example, the LG TV with the LG WebOS, Samsung with their Tizen software. We have all got all of the apps that we need are necessary. So I don't really see what would be the point of getting one of these unless you are a hardcore Apple fan and you want to be stuck in that ecosystem. The LG CX I use in my living room has Apple TV like built in, which means that I can basically like the Apple TV Plus subscription, which I do have for a couple of months, will work just fine without needing to buy one of these. Also, all the newer TVs are supporting Apple's Airplay, specifically Apple's newer Airplay models as well, like their software, which basically means you can Airplay or screen mirror your screen from your Mac / iPhone / iPad to your TV, which then once again makes this worthless basically. The only reason I would buy this is if you do not have like a smart TV yet, which I'm pretty sure all of you guys do. And the newer Apple TV boxes come at about 150 to 200 pounds. You could actually buy a smart TV for about 200 to 300 pounds. So if you are just wanting to get a new TV, if your TV is like 10 years old, so if you do want to buy a new TV altogether, just buy a smart TV. They are getting quite cheap now. I've found a couple like used as well, like a 45-inch smart TV by Samsung for only about 75 pounds on Facebook Marketplace, which is a great deal. So why do people still buy these? So I guess that basically wraps it up for this video. Don't buy an Apple TV, just buy a smart TV altogether. It will be much more easier instead of switching the input to the Apple TV and then when you want to watch your normal TV shows go back. Any video ideas you want to see from me, make sure to leave it in the suggestions. Peace.